My name is Aftab. Today we are learn left navigation, how to configure price in layered navigation, right? So guys, today we are learn how to configure price in layered navigation. You see inside the layered navigation comes in the price and counting and more above. So how can manage and how can adjust the range between this and this, right? So this is manageable from admin area. So go to admin area, enter the username and password and capture. I think I think I'm not clear. C. So right now this is C D E G and U, right? And enter and go to store configuration, right? And go to catalog, right? And here is layered navigation, right? So guys, this is layered navigation. Use counting yes no. If you have no, so save this, right? And refresh it, right? And you see the price. Here is price. Oh, maybe I think cash. Yes, configuration, right? And price cash, paid cash, sorry. And refresh it and refresh once again page, right? You see the price counting is off, okay? And here is need yes, so have yes, right? And second thing is, guys, automatically equalize price range, right? This is default, otherwise you want to select number two, display price interval once, right? Yes, limit interval supposed to, right? So save this, right? And cache once again, refresh, okay? And go to front end and refresh once again, right? And you see price. You see this is after two interval 0 to 28, 29 to 39, 40 to 59, 60 and more above, right? This is interval. You can set interval division 2, right? And third one is guys, manually you can set, suppose you can set here is 20, number of interval 8, and save this, right? Once again refresh, uh, cache, right? And guys, don't disable cache, because if you disable cache, so your website speed is poor, right? So refresh cache once again, right? And you see the price. So this is more 0 29, 20 to 39, 20 39, 40, right? So you can set here from interval, right? Three option is here is manually. You can set 20 or now 8, interval 8, or automatically equalize, right, to interval, or maybe this price range. This is default, so automatically counting, and you can set your manually. So this is provide Magento three options, right? So as per your requirement, you can modify price filter, right? So thank you so much, guys.